For any type of data analysis, it is essential to first organize the data in an Excel sheet. In this context, we create variables, compute new ones, incorporate additional variables as needed, organize or remove variables and so forth. We might need to convert the data to panel format and then revert it back to the original format based on criteria. However, once we transfer the dataset into analysis software, many of them do not permit resetting the data. In this instant, we must reorganize the variables and submit them to the analysis file collectively. Excel offers a straightforward solution to revert the panel format back to the original format with just a single click. To begin, we must select all the data. Next, select the data menu and choose the filter options from the sort and filter section. Now you will observe a drop-down arrow next to all the variable headings. Select the time variable drop-down menu and opt for the smallest to largest option. Voila! You reverted the data back to its previous format once more. Thank you. If you like the channel, like the video, don't forget to subscribe.